Let's also now go across and listen into Adi Godrej, who's speaking on the event of the numbers that we are, of course, tracking from Godrej Industries.
51%. However, on the consolidated profits for Q4, they were affected because a large part of the sales and profits of Godrej Properties in Q4 was in our major Vikhroli project, major new Vikhroli project, which is a joint venture between Godrej Properties and Godrej Industries. And also some of the sales were to group companies in our new headquarters building in Vikhroli. So when the sales are to group companies, then under the consolidation accounting standards, the profits have to be deducted. They come in the standalone profits, but since they are sales to companies which are consolidated with the parent company, they have to be deducted. And that is why the consolidated profit figure for Q4 was lower. However, for the whole year, consolidated profits was about the same as the previous year, and the sales growth in the consolidated numbers was 26%. So we've had a good year. Most of our businesses, Godrej Agrovet, Godrej Properties, Godrej Consumer Products, our chemicals business, have all done well, and we expect them to continue to do well in the year 12-13. We are happy to answer any questions.
So coming to your Godrej Consumer Products business, we saw a very healthy growth of 22%. There is still some talk of, you had made a mention of the fact that you would like to enter into the dental care space, the oral care space, and that you had also mentioned that it would be very hard to do that by setting up a manufacturing base all over. So we are assuming that it would again be in the line of an acquisition. Can you give us a sense of what is really happening?
No, we have no objective to enter the oral care business. I may have mentioned that if there is a good acquisition to be made, or if there is a good business in oral care available, we would look at it. But that's all. There is no plans to get into oral care. And we are not planning to get into oral care organically, because it will be competitively very difficult to establish ourselves organically. But in the domestic sphere, Godrej Consumer Products will be open to acquisitions in any field within personal and household care, if strategically it makes sense. But internationally, our acquisitions will be restricted to our three core categories, which is hair color, household insecticides, and personal wash.
So the new packaging norms which are going to come out on 1st July, so how are you preparing for it?
We are quite prepared to implement them. Our team is prepared, but today I read in the newspapers that they might postpone the implementation.
Adi Godrej. On the company's numbers, net profit at 42.7 crores there coming in, and net sales at 1,390 crores. Coming up, an exclusive interview with John Hourican, CEO Markets and International Banking at RBS. He speaks on the reasons and repercussions of a potential Greek exit.